Dear students, in today's lesson, we are going to learn about sequence, and extend sequences using a rule, okay? So very first thing, we are going to look at whole number sequence. So what do you mean by whole number sequence? When numbers are not in decimals, okay, numbers not in a fractions, okay, it can be 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, okay. So we are going to see sequence based on whole number, okay. Let's take one example. Okay, look at these numbers: 1, 3, 5, 7. There are three question marks here. So could you please notice which three numbers are coming here after 7? Okay, so between 1 and 3, there's a jump of 2. So 1 plus 2 becomes 3. Between 3 and 5, again jump of 2. So 3 plus 2 becomes 5. Then 5 plus 2 becomes 7. So it means next number will be 7 plus 2, that is 9. And 9 plus 2, that is 11. And 11 plus 2, that is 13. Okay. So if you add plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, so 7 plus 2 becomes 9. So here it is coming 9. Here 9 plus 2 becomes 11. And here 9 plus 2 becomes 13. Okay. So let's go for the next part. If you see, what type of sequence is this? Arithmetic or geometric? So we need to see about arithmetic or geometric. This we are going to learn today. Arithmetic. Arithmetic means when you are adding or subtracting same number. Okay, like here we are adding plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. So it is arithmetic here. Or let's take another example. If it is 10, and then here is 8, and then here is 6, what will be the next three terms? So what will be next three terms? So let's write down. So 10. So what is happening here? So between 10 and 8, it is minus 2. 8 and 6 is this minus 2. So this will be 6 take away 2, that is 4. Then 4 take away 2 will be 2. And then 2 take away 2 will be 0. Okay, so see, here we are adding plus 2. Here we are adding take away 2. So when these differences are same, okay, this is called common difference. Common difference. Okay, when these differences are same, then we say series is arithmetic here. Geometric we'll see later on. So arithmetic series. So if we move forward, let me rub this now. So let me rub now. Okay, so if you see, are they getting bigger or small once we have added 2? So 7, next number was 9 and 11 and 13. So it was 9 and 11 and 13. So can you guess, are they getting bigger or small? So definitely answer is bigger. Yes, these series are getting bigger, not small. Okay, is the gap between each number is the same? So let's see. Okay, so here it is plus 2. Here is plus 2. Here is plus 2 and is plus 2. Yes, so gap between each number is same. Let's move forward. Okay, how big is the gap? So it is plus 2. Is that okay? Now let's move forward. Okay, so now write the three missing numbers on your whiteboard. So you need to write these three numbers and finding the term by term rule. What does it mean? Each number in a sequence is called a term. What you need to add or subtract from a term in a sequence to make the next term is called the rule. Okay, I repeat, what you need to add to or subtract from a term in a sequence to make the next term is called the rule. You can express the rule like this, plus 2 in the previous question. Now, if here it is 1, 3, 5, 7, so what you need to add or subtract? So here we are adding plus 2. So here term to term rule is plus 2. Okay. So my next thing is finding the rule. Okay. So on your whiteboards, write down the rule and then the next three terms. So here it is, question number 1. So this is our question number 1. So 2, 5, 8. Okay. What will be the next three terms? So please try. Okay. That's fine. So 2 plus 3 becomes 5. 5 plus 3 becomes 8. So 8 plus 3 becomes 11. Yeah. So here it is 11. Now 11 plus 3 becomes 14. So this term will be 14. And 14 plus 3 becomes 17. Okay. Now next question. Question number 2. 4, 10, 16. Okay. So what is happening here? 4 plus 6 becomes 10. 10 plus 6 becomes 16. So 16 plus 6 becomes 22. 22 plus 6 becomes 28. And 28 plus 6 becomes 34. Okay. So here rule is plus 3. Here rule is plus 6. Yeah. Let's see another example. 15, 13 and 11. So 15 to 13 we are going down. So how much? Minus 2. And here again minus 2. 11 minus 2, that is 9. 9 minus 2, that is 7. And 7 minus 2, that is 5. Okay. So here rule is minus 2. I hope this is clear now. Our next example is going beyond 0. Okay. So let's see example here. Sequences can extend beyond 0 into negative numbers. Try extending these sequences and remember to write the rule. Beyond 0 means if you draw a number line, we are not going in this direction like 1, 2, 3. We are going beyond 0 like minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So we are going in this negative direction. Okay. So let's see question. 8, 5, 2. So 8 to 5 is how much? That is 8 take away 5 is 3. Okay, so it is minus 3. 5 take away minus 3 is 2. Okay, now 2 take away minus 3 is minus 1. Okay, so this is minus 1. Okay, let's write minus 1 here. And minus 1 take away minus 3, that is minus 4. And minus 4 take away minus 3. Okay, so this is minus 7. And as I told you, minus 4 take away minus 3, that is minus 7. And I have explained you in today's lesson, if they have same sign, so then you always add and always put sign of big number. Okay, so minus 4, minus 3 and minus 7. And once you are in primary, so you are going minus 4 here and then minus 3, 1, 2 and 3, and you can count all, then it will be minus 7. Yeah, so I'm not going to explain you this number line method. I'm just explaining if they have same sign, always add and then always put sign of big number. Okay, so here term to term rule is minus 3. Hope this is okay. Let's see next question. Okay, 12, 7 and 2. So between 12 and 7, so how much it is? 12 take away 5. So it is 7. Okay, and 7 take away 5, that is 2. Now 2 take away 5. So here again 2 take away 5, that is minus 3. So this number will be minus 3. Okay, then again minus 5. So minus 3 take away minus 5. So next number will be minus 8. Okay, so same sign, then you add and put big number sign. And minus 8 take away minus 5, that is minus 13. Okay, so this should be your answer. So I hope you have learned this today, and in next lesson we are going to learn more about sequences. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.